What is up, guys? We are back again on the channel. I know a lot of people have been asking, like, what wheels we're gonna get for the car for the E30, and they're finally here. So today we're gonna bring you a new episode of what wheels we're finally gonna put on the Red E30. It's wheels right now are expensive, man. Like 4x100 is very hard to find now. Like, Hondas and stuff, like they're very like Hondas and even E30s, they use the same bolt pattern. So like it's very hard to find real wheels with good specs for the cars. So it's, I got a really good deal on these wheels and I couldn't pass up. And today we're gonna do the unboxing of it. We are gonna get tires for it. They haven't came in yet. I'm actually gonna be running I'll just show you later on and tell you what we're gonna get. But yeah, let's get into it. Bam, just arrived from DHL, all 4 boxes. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh man, this is really hard, man, to do this with one hand. Let me tell you, this is dangerous doing this with one hand. There we go. You guys can already tell what it is or what? Yeah, we are in it. And bam. Oh no, I didn't. Oh no, you already know we had to do this. It was long overdue.
You feeling me yet, man? Got the gold BBSs on this motherfucker.
You know exactly what this is. Yes. No Fugazi. No Fugazi. No Fugazi. These are the fronts. No Fugazi, my boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 100% BBS RS. Gold. Very hard color to find now. I don't know if you guys have been looking at this, but these wheels are getting harder and harder to find. I think I got a really good price on this, but these are ranging from 5 to 6K. Gotta be on the hunt. That's the front. I got staggered fitment, so the rear is a little bit more wider. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is another front right here, too. Yes, sir. Two fronts. They look so good, man. I can't wait to throw these on the car. They're gonna look crazy. This is like a childhood wheel for me, man. Just, watching Paid in Full. You already know about the gold ABS. If you've never seen Paid in Full, this is really hard to do with one hand. If you already know the movie Paid in Full. You already know what gold BBSs are. This is like iconic to the E30s. Regardless or not of the movie, but this is like a statement that you need to do when you're on Paid in Full and E30. As you could tell, if you have never seen it, it's the scene when Money Mitch comes out of jail and he gets an E30, but even before he goes to jail, he pulls up in an old school Saab, and his partner, A Boogie, it's like, yo, he already knows. He pulls up, the Saab has gold BBSs. It's an iconic scene to everything. Everybody knows it, but dang, I gotta open this one. Give me 1 second, guys. This one. Everybody knows this scene though. The movie's awesome. If you're into like those type of movies, it's a great movie to watch. And boom. The stagger fitment. Car is gonna look so good. So like I was telling you, we're gonna go ahead and put Falcon Azini's 215 45 40s. My buddy at CA2 Igor, he helped me out with the tire setup. I don't know if you guys seen his car. I'll actually post a picture of his car right now. It's on Edmunds 16 by 8s. Same tire size. Car looks crazy. It's with an M-Tech kit and everything. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. So he helped me out with the fitment for the tires and stuff like that. And now we're gonna go ahead and get the car lowered. I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up using his coilover set, which is the CA2 coilovers with an 8K spring rate and 10K rear. We're just working out some stuff right now to see if we're gonna go ahead and get them from him. But besides that, I cannot wait to put this on. This is not the cosmetic part of the build. We're gonna go ahead and finish up the car because obviously we just did mechanically everything on the car. It's 100% great. But now we're gonna be doing cosmetic work on the car to get it back to like, I mean, I already buffed the car and got paint corrected it, but there's little things that need to be touched up. So we're gonna go ahead and address that later on down the road. Hopefully the car is gonna be going to paint in the next week or so we can go ahead and fix all the little things that are wrong with it and throw the wheels of suspension, and we're gonna be going down the block, you know. But I love this setup once again. But we're gonna go ahead and get into a montage of the video for you guys to basically show you the wheels and everything, and we can go ahead and show you. I'm still just like lost for words in the setup. The wheels look really good, and I can't wait to put them on the car. All right, guys. Well, thanks again. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and just subscribe because the builds can only get crazier. The M240, like I said, it is currently I'm going through a big thing with it right now. The lugs are stuck on the car and I need to get it off, and the guy who put my wheels on the car, he torqued them down, so that is a whole other issue with the car that I need to work out right now. But here's a montage. Thank you.